Hello, everyone. This is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video about Cash Alive 39. And what I want to do is share this information with you. If you are part of Cash Alive 39, you want to stay till the end of this video. If you're not a part of Cash Alive 39, you want to stay till the end of this video. And the reason why is because I'm going to talk to the audience of people who have already purchased this opportunity. And for those who are kind of on the fence and they want to purchase it, but they're really kind of skeptical about what they're going to get, how the opportunity works. We're going to go over that today so you can get an idea of what to expect and how this actually works. My name is Amanda Ray, and I've been doing online affiliate marketing since 2015. I had my breakthrough in 2016, and I've been earning six figures online with just affiliate marketing, okay? And what I love about it is that you can basically work your own hours. You can do this on the side, have it as a side hustle, or you could actually do this full time. And you can earn anywhere from $300 to $500 a day using systems like this, okay? Now, one of the things that I love about this is that it's only a $39 one-time payment to get started. And because of that, it's easy for people to make a decision without having to think about, wow, do I want to get involved in this? It's a lot of money. I don't want to lose a lot of money. Maybe you're just getting your feet wet and you don't know if you really want to do this or not. It's easy to make a decision. And I like high ticket and I like low ticket, but for newbies and people that are struggling with affiliate marketing and they're having some issues with maintaining sales or getting their first payout, this is something that will work for you, okay? Now, with Cash Alive, I'm going to talk about how you need to run traffic, right? So you need people to buy, and we don't want to go to friends and family. We don't want to have to call 100 people in our phones. That's not the way. That's the traditional old way of doing marketing. It doesn't work anymore. You're going to burn out your list, your friends list. You're going to burn out people list in your contacts. You want people that are looking to make money from home, that are just waiting to get your information. And that's what you need. So when you sign up for $39, not only are you going to get the system, you're going to also get a duplicated website, which is going to cost you a one payment of $29. Okay. You're going to have access to different traffic strategies that work if you work it the right way. Okay. Now, here's the thing. When you sign up for this system, you also want to grab yourself a capture page, okay? And I'm going to talk about why that's so important. The capture page is what's going to help people get to know you if they decide that they're not going to buy the first time around. And a lot of people, they forget to do this. They forget that, you know what, people are not going to buy as soon as they see my information. They're just not. Maybe they will, maybe they won't. But if they keep seeing it over and over and over again, at some point, more people are going to buy, because we need to be reminded in between working, going to school, sleeping, eating, taking care of children, work, whatever it is. You need to be able to remind people because people will forget. The way that we remind people is through a capture page. Everyone that is a part of Cash Alive 39 can get a capture page. It's necessary. It is. You can set this up yourself, or you can have a programmer or a tech person set it up for you. I like to have somebody set it up for me. It's not hard to set up, but this is something that you want to do, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in an email to show you how it works. All you're doing is you're grabbing somebody's email, and then you're hitting this to take them directly to your capture page. This is what does all the selling and telling for you. Now, if they don't buy the first time that they see your information, that's fine, because as long as you capture their email, you can continuously send them information about this system, okay? And all that's going to do is send your conversion rates up. So you're going to have more people interacting with you, more people getting to know, like, and trust you, and more people buying from you, okay? Once you come here, you're going to see basically payment proof. These are Cash App payments that I receive. You can get paid through Cash App, Zelle, Venmo, Stripe, Authorize.net, PayPal, okay? So if you are in the US or outside of the US, you can use the system and start producing an income. Now, I don't know how quickly you're going to produce an income. People say, well, Amanda, how long is it going to take for me to get paid? I don't know that because I don't know you. So let's just say we got Bobby and we got Sue, and they both join opportunity. Bobby has 5 hours to work his business. Sue has 15 hours to work her business. Who's going to do better? Now, would I know that? No, it's all based off of your consistency and how much time you can put into your business. Okay. So it's all about your dedication. If you're taking it serious, sometimes people buy programs and they don't do anything with it, or they wait, procrastinate, and they wait and procrastinate. And then 8 months later, they may decide to do something with their business. I get this all the time. Then we have those people who are the action takers. As soon as they get the information, they get plugged right in. Within a week, 2 weeks, they start producing results. They start seeing money come in. They start having people reaching out to them. They start having people on the email list. Everybody is different, and that's going to be based off of their consistency and how serious they take their business. Okay. So if anybody ever tell you, oh, when you get into an opportunity, you're going to make money within your first couple of days or your first week, they're telling you a story, because nobody knows you personally and how you're going to do with your business and how much time and effort you're going to put into your business. So you need to ask yourself that when you get started, am I going to be able to dedicate at least 10 hours a week to this business? Because that may be what it takes. Okay. And I'm just being realistic. I'm being realistic. Why? Because it's about being transparent, right? I don't want you to get in and think that, oh, I start today and I'm going to be making 6 figures tomorrow. No, you're going to build up this business, and over time, you're going to see results, and those results are going to start to snowball depending on how much time and effort you're putting into your business. Okay. So as you scroll down, it's going to tell you what you're going to receive, which is the traffic sources that I use and that you can use. I always recommend picking one traffic source and run with it. But before you pick that traffic source, you need to make sure that your capture page and your sales page is set up and connected. That's important. Now, once you have your traffic source and you know what it is that you're going to do, what traffic source you're going to use, you want to then take a look at the email copies, because if you decide to do email marketing, which I highly recommend, you want to use the email ad copies. Okay. On top of that, you're going to get the fast start instructions. And now you have the reseller rights to go ahead and make money using this sales page. Okay. The reseller rights is going to be the $39 that you pay for the system. And again, the $29 is going to be for your website, your replicated website. This button here is going to be linked to your payment processor. So whatever payment processor you decide to use, it's going to be linked right here. People could click on it, and once they click on it, it's going to take them directly to a page to get started. So this is what mine's look like. This is my passive income online account. Okay, this is the name of my Stripe account. And if we go here, this is my Stripe account, passive income online. Okay, so here you can actually see where I have made and generated money over the last, however so often. Right now, it's the last 4 weeks. Here is the last 3 months, $38,000. If I want to go and do the last 2 months, all I have to do is put that information in here. Let's just do June. And then it'll pull up how much I made, $16,702. And this is just from one account. I also have a Cash App account, and I have an authorized.net account where I have funds coming in for this business opportunity. Okay. So, and again, if you want to have more than one payment processor, you can't do that on one page. You have to get a different website. So you can have 2 websites where you can have maybe your PayPal button and the other website can have your Stripe button. It's really up to you. You can just use one. The reason why I had stopped using Cash App is because sometimes when your payments are coming in too consistently, they will shut down your Cash App account. Now that more than likely will not happen with Stripe, authorized.net, or PayPal. With Cash App, most of the times it's a personal account, and that's just something that can happen. Okay. So I recommend once you start receiving about 7 payments a day consistently, that you swap out of Cash App and you sign up for a PayPal, a Stripe, or authorized.net account. Once you do, we can then connect that to your button, which is going to be right here. We can also connect your Cash App to start out with. Okay. So once you make this payment, you're going to then make this payment here, which is going to allow you to get your replicated website. And then it has some instructions on what to do once you make the payment. These instructions you're going to follow just so that you can send your information over to have your website replicated. We need some information from you to make sure that you made your payment. And not only that, that we have the information for your link so that we can set up your page. Okay. So it's going to look very similar to this. Okay. Everyone pretty much has the same website. And then depending on what capture page you want, we have 4 different capture pages you can choose from to connect to your sales page. I, again, highly recommend that you get a capture page. You don't have to get it from me. You can have one done yourself. You can get this done through an Active Campaign account and an Aweber. They have Kartra, they have lead pages. There's so many different places you can go to have, they have Get Response, all these places you can go to have a capture page made for you. And then you're gonna just be connecting your sales page URL link to your capture page, okay? And it's very simple to do. If you don't want to go through the headache of doing it, you can pay a one-time fee and I can have that done for you, okay? So again, this is like the most recent thing that I've been producing results. The results have been very consistent, but not only that, it's easy for people to get started. It's extremely newbie friendly, and it's something that can help you start generating results so that you can be more confident in your online business. And then you can work your way up to getting $97 payments with another opportunity, or $300 payments, or $500 payments. But, you know, sometimes people say, you know, I don't like low ticket opportunities, but they work for people, especially people who have never gotten results online. They want to build up their confidence and they want to feel motivated because they're making something. This is the way to go. And again, once you start to perfect and have the skill set of what to do, then you can move your way up. The traffic that I use works. You're going to get the information and exactly how to set up your traffic when you get started. It's just for you to stay consistent. If you are consistent, you will see the business start to work in your favor. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. In the description below is the information for this opportunity. I would love to have you come aboard. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Stay blessed, stay inspired, and I'll see you another day in another video. Have a great day.